Hello everyone. Next topic in Java programming tutorial is types of inheritance. First type of inheritance is single inheritance. In single inheritance, we have only one derived class and one base class. So this derived class, class B, inherits class A. That's why it is known as single inheritance. So the definition is when only single class inherits a single class. So when a class inherits another class, it is known as single inheritance. And this is the block diagram for this. Next type of inheritance is multi-level inheritance. In this we have more than one level. In this we have single level. There is one derived class and one base class. But in multi-level inheritance, this is multi levels, more than one level. So in this, a class C inherits class B, which further inherits class A. So there are more than one level. That is why it is known as multi-level inheritance. So the definition is when there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as multi-level inheritance. And in this case, class C inherits class B, which again inherits class A. That means class C contains all the features of class B as well as class A. Next inheritance is hierarchical inheritance. In this type of inheritance, we have two derived classes. Two derived classes inherits a single base class. This is the diagram for this. And both these classes, class B and class C, have class A's properties. Okay. So the definition is when two or more classes inherits a single class. Two or more classes inherits a single class. It is known as hierarchical inheritance. Next type of inheritance is multiple inheritance. And please note, Java does not support multiple inheritance through classes. It supports multiple inheritance through interface only. I will explain this concept in my later videos. So in multiple inheritance, we have two or more base classes. That means a single derived class inherits more than two base classes, more than one base class, that is known as multiple inheritance. Okay, so when a single class inherits more than one class, single class, that is here, the single class is class C, inherits more than one class, it is known as multiple inheritance. And Java does not support multiple inheritance through classes. Next is fifth type of inheritance is hybrid inheritance. When hybrid means mixture of one or more things. Okay, so mixture of two or more things. So in case of hybrid inheritance also, it is a combination of two or more types of inheritance. Like in this, we have class A, class B, and class C. This is known as hierarchical inheritance. Class B, class C, and class D. This is known as multiple inheritance. So mixture of multiple and hierarchical inheritance is known as hybrid inheritance. Okay, you can make more diagrams for this. Basically, hybrid inheritance means it is a combination of two or more types of inheritance. Okay, so these are the different types of inheritance, these 5 types of inheritance. I will explain all these each type in detail with code in my next videos. Okay, thanks for watching my video.